Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Liza. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to be unboxing and trying out some jewelries from GIVA. They actually carry a lot of fine silver jewelries, and they also provide the authenticity certificate as well. So yeah, I am very excited to unbox this one for you guys and share what I have got here. So their jewelries are very classic and elegant, what I have seen on their website, and they go with my style very well. Because when it comes to jewelries, I love like those very simple and very like elegant pieces. I don't like those like chunky jewelries, I don't like those kind of jewelries. I don't wear them. I wear very minimal jewelries. So Jiva's jewelry actually feel like kind of my style of jewelries. So I'm very excited to share this with you guys. I have two pieces of jewelry in here. So let's get started. Let's open it up. I will show you guys what's in this package, and yeah, so let's get started. So I have got two pieces of jewelries in here. There's an envelope here. This has a certificate of authenticity, the jewelry ID number, and the BIS registration number is also mentioned. The base metal purity of this jewelries is 92.5% pure fine silver. There is also a 30 days of return policy on my order, and also 6-month warranty on plating, guys. The authenticity actually adds to the value of the jewelries. Next, there's a cute little thank you note that looks so pretty, guys, and look at the jewelries, looks so elegant and pretty. And there's a note telling us how to take care of our jewelries and what to do and what not to do. Got a little piece of cotton cleaning cloth as well. Again, there is another thank you note with a coupon code for my next purchase, a discount code that I'm definitely going to use on my next purchase. So the jewelries come in this white boxes that looks very pretty and elegant, that gives a very like classic feel to it. So let's open up the first jewelry here. This is actually the Anushka Sharma rose gold crown bracelet. It comes in a white and pink box, pink lining, and there is written, PS, you look stunning today. That just made my day. It is very pretty. The box looks amazing. It is written fine silver jewelry on right on the top. So yeah, just look at this bracelet, guys. It looks so elegant and so delicate and so simple. Simplicity is beauty, and that's what this bracelet is exactly. So yeah, this is exactly how they show on their website. So when I saw this bracelet on their website, I knew this is a must have for anyone. Anyone at any age group can use it. Actually, just look at the crown, very detailed. Just look at the detailing. The stone studding in the crown looks so fine, and the sparkle is just perfect. It's not like too much, it's like just perfect. Just look at the chain, the detailing on the chain. The hook is also very nice, very good quality, even if it looks very thin, but it is a very good quality piece of jewelry, and I do really like it. And also the authenticity certificate actually adds to the value of this piece of jewelry. Just look at how delicate it looks and how elegant it looks. It will definitely go well with any outfit, but I think it will go very well with a white outfit. You can pair it with any other bracelet or bangle of your choice, but I think it looks good on its own. The next piece of jewelry that I have is a silver ring. This also comes in a white box, and look at the packaging. I have bought so many rings, but this packaging is really good. This is Anushka Sharma silver vintage ring with 92.5% silver purity, and we get 6 months of plating warranty on this one, and the authenticity certificate as well. Look at the classic look of this. This looks so elegant, guys. It is a bit tight for my finger size, although my finger size is huge. My fingers are swollen right now, it doesn't fit me. However, this ring is adjustable, that has an adjustable back, so I can adjust it to my ring size, so it is not a problem. But I have bought this for my sister. Actually, this is a gift and I know she is going to like it very much, and this looks very pretty. Just look at the stone, it looks so good. The sparkle is just the right amount. It will go very well with any outfit. Again, you can pair it with any ring of your choice, but I think it looks good on its own only. Just a single piece of ring and it looks very good. A fine piece of jewelry. I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing and trying out of this jewelries. All the links to this jewelries will be in my description box. I will also provide a coupon code to get 15% off on your purchase. You can enjoy the discount, guys. So yeah, that's all for today. I will catch you all next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.